What's up guys, Dave here, back again with another episode of Tech UnRaveled, and today I have the Pamu Quiet Wireless ANC Bluetooth earphone. So we're gonna go ahead and get this box popped. We're gonna explore all of its contents. Then we're gonna do an audio test, a mic test, an active noise cancellation test, and of course a latency test. So make sure you're ready, make sure you like before we get started. Let's do it, let's go right now. Alright guys, let's get this box popped open. Well, that is a nice display. I like to see that. So I think I said this in my last few videos, part of buying something, part of owning something is the unboxing experience. And this is why I go through this in a lot of my videos, because I want you guys to experience the different unboxings. Not because unboxing is really super exciting, but you get to share the experience with me. And I gotta tell you, opening a nice, thick, premium box over some flimsy cardboard is kind of nice. It's satisfying. Here is the case. Now, this was inspired, I read on their website, by a pocket watch. Definitely looks like one of those. I'm gonna put this to the side real quick, go a little bit deeper into the box. So in here, it looks like we have all our manuals, warranty, get started guides, things of that nature. And then next in here, got your strap. You have a nice leatherette type case, USB-C, and some extra ear tips. So we got that, we got this. Let's put it all to the side and take a little peek at our timepiece. Can you push down on it? Does it pop open? Oh, that's kind of cool. Whoa. This is a nice display. I probably will wind up breaking the case just because I wanna click it over and over, but it makes the case super big, which makes it not so fun in the pocket. It's definitely big in there. You definitely feel it. You definitely know it's there. It's not something that's easily pocketable. Let's go ahead and take these out. I'm gonna put them in my ear and see how they feel. They are instantly in pairing mode. Now, I did go ahead and download the Pamu Quiet app from the App Store here. Click Add Device, hit OK, Settings, Pamu. Heard it in the left ear. Not sure if the right one paired also, but let's find out. And right away, it's showing me some options here. Now these do have active noise cancellation built into it. So right now it's in transparency mode. You have ANC mode. Wow. That is actually really strong. And then ANC off. My question is, did the right earbud actually pair? Let's go into the settings. We can see how much charge we have here, firmware updates, customization of key functions, AM function loop mode, and support. So I am on the latest firmware. Let's see what options. Holy moly, there is a lot of options. Let's get down in here so you guys can see it. So double click, you have everything you could ever want. Press and hold, again, double click and press and hold for the right and for the left ear. The only thing I would have liked to seen is maybe a single tap or a triple tap added, but that is a lot of customization. I like that. I'm gonna leave this alone for now. That's the app, so let's go ahead and start the audio portion of the test. Let me first introduce you to Ted. Ted here is a binaural mic. I'm gonna put these earbuds into Ted. You're gonna go grab your best pair of headphones, put them on, go sit in a quiet room and enjoy the sound. So you're gonna get to listen while I listen. At the end of this, we'll talk and I'll let you know what I think, all right?
Nowadays, nothing really is nice. Only one of me and nobody like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's
I didn't expect that.
ice freeze, photo, please, no photos, no, G's, no, please, no photos. Hit the door and the doorman just whole team here might need some. Still young, but I move like a new deal to my lawyer. If you're down in my management, I'm just warming up a way till I old producers saw the numbers one. Different colors in my baggy light. Chalk it up, talk of the town where you're talking up. Wanna get you a ring and you tough enough. Wanna get you new things with your pockets dull. Run it up. I used to be quiet and out of luck. Now I move up and move humble cause the hate and the jealousy. My mama telling me count up your blessings and run it up.
say, that was super unexpected. I didn't think that these were gonna bang like that and sound like that. I'm actually pleasantly surprised. There was some vibrations in my brain, which you guys know if you watch this channel is what I'm looking for. The highs were super crisp. The mids were, I mean, they were nice, guys. You were able to hear, and I'm sure you could hear it, all of the instruments playing. And there's a reason too, guys, that I choose this one song and I use it for each of my videos. It's because there's a lot of texture in it. There's lows, there's highs, and you can kind of get a good grasp on how headphones sound. And these Pamu quiets are super good. I thoroughly enjoyed what I was listening to, thoroughly enjoyed the experience, and I hope you guys did too. Let me know down in the comments what you thought. It is mic test time. Let's do it. Right meow. Alright guys, this is the sound of my voice with the new Pamu Quiet ANC True Wireless earphones. This is the sound of my voice with the Pamu Quiet ANC True Wireless earphones with ambient noise running in the background. How did the mic hold up? Let me know down in the comments below what you think. Let's go ahead and jump into the ANC test. Okay guys, so this is the sound of my voice with none of the features. Everything at this moment is turned off on the device, and this is what it would sound like if somebody was standing next to you and they were speaking to you. This was what the sound of my voice would sound like with the headphones in. Let's go ahead and now we're going to activate transparency mode. Again, same thing. This is with transparency mode on. This is what my voice would sound like. It should be a lot clearer, crisper. You should be able to hear a lot more noises around me. And then let's go ahead and now switch on active noise cancellation. So this is active noise cancellation mode. While I'm speaking to you, my voice should be quite muffled. Now let's go ahead and introduce some ambient noise. I'm going to go ahead and turn active noise cancellation off. So now we have some ambient noise running in the background. Transparency mode, I just turned that on. So you should be able to hear that noise a little bit more in the background. And then I'm going to go ahead and activate active noise cancellation. So now active noise cancellation is on. Ambient noise is running in the background. Let's go ahead and hit the vacuum. So this is what it would sound like with ANC mode turned on, vacuum going, noise in the background, noisy neighbors next door running around. I could hear everything, not sure if you guys can, but that's what it would sound like. I hope these worked out good because they sounded great. I'm hoping the active noise cancellation is primo. Let's jump into the latency test. All right guys, so what we're gonna do now is a latency test, and as usual, I'm gonna test both on Android and iOS. And as you can see here, I have a OnePlus 8 Pro for the Android device and a iPhone 12 Pro Max for my iOS device. So I'm set up, I'm ready to go. Let's start with Android and then we'll switch over to iOS. And just a real quick thing is there's no gaming mode. So this is what it is and you can't change it, but here we go. All right, so that was your Android test. Let's go ahead and switch over to iOS. All right guys, so there you had it. We did an audio test, a mic test, an active noise cancellation test, and a latency test. If you like this video, smash that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace!